What's up, guys? Welcome to Plain Man. Fake it till you make it. Just like I promised, I'm gonna give you an update on my container garden. So if you guys haven't seen the video yet, make sure you go check that out. I'll leave a card here and a link down below of where I planted these, most of them. I planted a lot more since then, but I want to give you an update and show you like the success of these has been incredible and nothing short of amazing, and give you some tips on doing this even better than I did. So let's start over here. All right, so we have a lettuce plant here. I've been eating a lot of this. That's why it's looking pretty sparse. Right here I have bell peppers. They're just falling over. These are my banana peppers. These have been supplying so well, guys. I just come out here and I eat a couple every couple days. Cherry tomatoes, I have one here. These have taken a while to produce, but now that they're producing, they're coming strong. Like there's a lot of them. I have 3 of these. There's one over there that's producing quite a bit of cherry tomatoes. Very healthy looking. Oh, that soil's good. Some of them are really dry. Wait till you see my cauliflower plants, guys. Check this out. This thing took off. If you're looking for a huge cauliflower, do it in one of these big buckets. And this is what you'll get right here. Look at that, guys. Does that not look amazing? The thing is huge. Look how big that is. The leaves are ginormous. They look Jurassic. And so I put 1 in this container. Let me show you what happened when I put 2 in one container. They're coming. They actually started sprouting a lot sooner, but I think that's how it works. So they get as big as the roots will allow them, and then they start making the fruit or the vegetable. And so they're a lot smaller when you put 2 in a single container. Here's my jalapenos, my mammoth jalapenos. These probably took the longest to show any signs of vegetation, but here they are. I'm gonna pick this one soon and try it out. These bell peppers just are massive. I picked one over here. They're doing so good. Look how great these are coming out. Look at that. Just great. So many of them too. Let's go over here. This is another lettuce plant. Been eating a lot of those. This is romaine. Oh, there's broccoli. Turned out pretty good. If you eat a lot of broccoli, you probably want to do multiples of these. I only did 1 just to see how it works, how it grows and everything like that. 1 Brussels sprout plant here. It's doing good. Bugs got a hold of it. I've been spraying some essential oils on it to keep the bugs at bay, and it seems to work if I get to it before the bugs get to it. The kale took off really quickly. The kids have been eating a lot of it. We take from the bottom, the bigger leaves, and we eat those throughout the day. More romaine, we've been eating a lot of that. We have not been eating a lot of the red cabbage, but beautiful leaves. Look how pretty those are. Come over here, guys. I planted this one a little bit later on. Started with itty bitty seeds. They look like granola, and these are beets. I started these kind of late in the season. They're doing awesome. This, guys, is a sad situation. This is my cucumber plant. So what happened here is they actually produce really, really well. Like they gave me like 5 beautiful cucumbers. In fact, I left them on a little too long, so a couple of them were too bitter, so I had to compost them. Then it died. It was really weird, and it's slowly dying. It's still in the process of dying. I may have killed it with too much fertilizer too. I don't know, because I put fertilizer at the bottom of them for the mature roots. I may have put too much. I don't know. This is another bell pepper plant. Look at these bad boys. Another tomato plant here. Lots of cherry tomatoes here. I went and planted some strawberries later on. These won't produce any fruit until probably next spring. Here's another tomato plant. As you can see, I'm about to pick my first tomato here. I think this one's, you know what? I'll give it a little more time. It's kind of orange. Why not just leave it? This is spinach. Spinach is just, everything is just doing so great. I went and planted some tiny onions in here, and they took off pretty quick. I just used a shallow container because that's really all you need. It's doing awesome. I didn't use any bottles at the bottom of these. Let's come back here. This is butternut lettuce. Really good stuff. My herbs are doing good. More butternut. I went back and planted some celery. Celery's taken off. Super healthy. Bugs aren't touching it. Some more basil, different kind of basil here. And then some more celery. Everything is just doing so good. It's such a crazy success. If you guys are wanting to succeed at gardening from the get-go, do container gardening and do the process I showed in the link, guys. Like several people have said they've tried it in the ground as beginners and they fail, or they don't get very little production. And this has just been insanely easy as well. Like the watering is just like every couple weeks. It's just been so fun to watch grow as a beginner gardener. So if you're wanting to, get started, I would suggest this way. We will see you in our next video, guys. Thanks for joining us for Playing Man. Fake it till you make it.